In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall OneDrive from Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you no longer use OneDrive or you just want to remove it from your computer to simplify your setup, the process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and this method works through the standard Windows settings menu. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows computer. You can do this from the Start menu or by using the Settings shortcut if that's faster for you. Once Settings opens, look to the left-hand panel and select Apps. This section is where Windows keeps the options for programs and features installed on your device. After that, click on Installed Apps. This will open a full list of applications currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many apps you have, it may take a moment to load. If the list is long, don't worry, you don't need to scroll through everything manually. Now find Microsoft OneDrive in the list. The easiest way to do this is by using the search field available in the Installed Apps section. Type in OneDrive and Windows should quickly filter the results so you can locate it faster. Once you see Microsoft OneDrive, you're ready for the next step. Click the three dots next to Microsoft OneDrive. This opens a small menu with additional options for that app. From that menu, select Uninstall. Windows will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Click Uninstall again to confirm. After that, simply follow any uninstall prompts that appear on screen. In most cases, the removal process only takes a short time. Just let Windows complete the process and avoid closing the window until it finishes. Once the uninstall is complete, OneDrive will be removed from your system. If you ever change your mind later, you can reinstall it again from Microsoft. One helpful tip before you uninstall: if you currently use OneDrive to sync files, make sure anything important has finished syncing and is available locally or backed up somewhere else. Uninstalling the app removes the program, so it's always a good idea to double check your files first. And that's it. That's how to uninstall OneDrive from Windows 11 or Windows 10 quickly and easily.